Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Grish Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, School of Agriculture, IIT University, Gwalior. Students, I hope you all are good and stay at home safely. मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी लोग घर पे होंगे और सुरक्षित होंगे. Students, today I am going to start our subject Rabe crop production for BSc Agriculture 7th semester. Students, so let's just start our topic about cultivation of sunflower crop part 2. इससे पहले part 1 था, ये part 2 है. Students, I will introduce all content one by one and introduction, next sunflower based cropping system, next water management, next critical stage for irrigation, next water requirement, next weed management, next pest and disease, next harvesting and yield, next outcome, then references. Okay. Students, before starting the topic, I want to telling you about some introduction of sunflower crop. Students, sunflower name Helianthus is derived from Helios, meaning sun, and anthus meaning flower. It called as sunflower as it follow the sun always turning towards its direct rays. Students, it is important oilseed crop of country sunflower. Oil is most popular because of its light color, blade flavor. Students, high smoke point and high levels of linoleic acid, which is good of a hot patent sunflower seed contain about 48 to 53% edible oil. So students, sunflower is an oil seed is a newly introduced crop in the country. This crop has gained importance due to its short duration to maturity containing of excellent quality of oil insensitively tolerance. Students, it is short duration crop and can is intercropped in different type of cropping pattern. Sunflower is grow as intercrop with crops such as groundnut, pigeon pea, castrol, soybean. It is since it is a photosynthesis crop which it can be grow throughout the year. Students, sunflower was known to world period to 19th century as ornamental plants. It is attractive flower. Okay, students, after initiation that is seeds have high quality edible oil. It is widely grown in many countries as an oil seed crop. Students, its oil is rich, understand oleic and linoleic acid 74% and hence useful to human health. Students, as fatty acid are not produced in human body, consumption of sunflower is considered as essential. It used associated with the healthy heart as a sunflower oil hardly allow this blockage of blood vessels that do not result into higher cholesterol. Students, they also regular blood pressure. The seed contain average of 28%, all maximum of 36%, while kernel alone contain 44 to 45% oil. Students, it is mainly used as farming medium and for cosmetic purpose as ornaments. The oil contains large quantities of vitamin E, sterolin sequence, and other alphanic hydrocarbons, terpenes, and methyl cations. Students, the sunflower was domesticated by USA as commercial crop. Although sunflower oil was first produced by Russian Empire in 1835. Student, the sunflower gets its name because its flowers in photosynthesis resemble the shape of sun. The sunflower seed are also used as bird feeds. Its meal used as cattle feed. Its other use include use of kernels as food with or without roasting, making sunflower better sunflower whole seed bread production of non-aleric rubbers. Besides used of various application as alternative to olive oils. As some varieties of sunflower produce oil more rich in oleic acid than even oleic oil. Students, sunflower oil is used as body hair oil making this and different plant parts used against snake bites traditionally. So students, this is generally introduction of sunflower crop. Okay. So students, next content है हमारा sunflower based cropping system. So students, sunflower development are yearly and medium duration. Sunflower cultivates and they are less thermo and photosynthetically render sunflower an ideal crop for all season. Students, sunflower can be grown either as a sole crop or as an intercrop. It can be grown as sequence crop after the harvest of rainy season pulses or cereal crop. Students, reproductive and the feasible cropping system is northwest India is to grow sunflower after photo, turai, cotton and rice as spring jaith crop. So students, this intercropping sunflower as an ideal intercrop with cereals, pulses and oilseed crop. The following 490 intercropping system have been provided reproductive under different situation like first sunflower plus groundnut and different ratio 2:4 और 2:6 मीन्स का मतलब है स्टूडेंट्स का सनफ्लावर की 2 रो हैं और ग्राउंडनट की 4 रो हैं. इनमें दोनों में से कोई एक चूज़ कर सकते हैं. सपोज डेट सनफ्लावर की 2 रो हैं और 6 रो ग्राउंडनट की है. ठीक है. फिर आता है हमारा सनफ्लावर प्लस फिंगर मिट्स मीन्स 3:6. मतलब ये है कि सनफ्लावर की 3 रो है और फिंगर मिनट्स की 6 रो है. फिर जैसे हमारा है सनफ्लावर प्लस पिजन पी, सनफ्लावर की 1 रो है, पिजन पी की 1 रो है. फिर ऐसे हमारा स्टूडेंट सनफ्लावर प्लस सोयाबीन. ठीक है. सनफ्लावर की 3 रो है, सोयाबीन की भी 3 रो है. फिर स्टूडेंट्स आता है जैसे सनफ्लावर प्लस ग्रीन ग्राम और ब्लैक ग्राम. स्टूडेंट सनफ्लावर की 1 रो है और ग्रीन ग्राम ब्लैक ग्राम में से कोई एक चॉइस कर सकते हैं हम 1 रो यानी 1:1. फिर बात करें सनफ्लावर प्लस काउपी की स्टूडेंट्स 4:1 मीन्स सनफ्लावर की 1 रो और 4 रो काउपी की. ओके. सो दिस इज इंटरक्रॉपिंग. स्टूडेंट इससे भी कई सारे क्वेश्चन फुटअप होते हैं आपके एग्ज़ाम में, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में. ओके. Next student, sequence cropping. Students, the following sequence cropping systems are found ideal. The several situations are rainfed condition and irrigated condition. So this is a rainfed condition. Students, and first, second, third and sunflower groundnut and sunflower mustard and sunflower maize. This is 2-year sequential cropping system. Okay. And 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and sunflower Bengal gram and sunflower wheat and sunflower mustard and sunflower sorghum. So this is 1-year sequence cropping system. So first starting rainfed condition sequence cropping system is 2-year sequencing and 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th means 1-year sequence cropping system. Okay. So this is sequence cropping. This is rainfed condition. Okay. फिर नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स इरिगेटेड का कंडीशन में. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स इरिगेटेड कंडीशन में देख लिए हम लोग. ठीक है. Students, this first rice, sunflower, cotton, sunflower, mustard, sunflower. So this is irrigated condition. वो students rainfed condition में था, ये हमारा irrigated condition में है. Okay, so this is irrigated condition. Students, next content है हमारा water management. Okay, so students, sunflower crop has deep root system extending 1 2 meter deep, specifically on deep soil. Students, long period of serves water deficient at any growth period causes leaf drying, leading to low yields. Students, with heavy rainfall or irrigation flowering, extremely dry period, only a partial recovery occurs. So this is water management. Next content, students, critical stage for irrigation. Okay, so students, the percentage of total crop water use over different growth stages is about 20% during vegetative period, 55% during flowering period, and the remaining 25% during seed development. Students, the critical stage for soil moisture is day after seeding are indented below in this stage: bud initiation, flower opening, and seed filling. And they are short duration cultivars and long duration cultivars, two different type. Okay, so first stage है bud initiation and short duration cultivation 30 से 35 एंड लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन कल्टीवेशन की बात करें तो 35 से 40. स्टूडेंट्स, स्टेज सेकंड हमारा फ्लावर ओपनिंग. यहाँ बात करें शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन कल्टीवर्स में तो 45 से 50 और लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन कल्टीवर्स में बात करें हम लोग 55 से 60. यही बात करें स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग स्टेज सीड फिलिंग में स्टूडेंट्स अब बात करें हम लोग तो शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन कल्टीवर्स में 55 से 80 और लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन कल्टीवर्स में बात करें हम लोग तो 65 से 90. Okay, so students, flower opening period is the most sensitivity of to water deficient seed filling in the next important stage for soil water deficits. Okay, so students, this is a critical stage for irrigation. Okay, तो next content है students हमारा weed management. Students, competition from weeds is more serves during early stages for crop growth. The critical period of crop weed competition is 4 to 6 weeks after seeding. So first, cultural management. Students, sunflower is sown is row wide to permit intercultivation using different blade harrows. Two intercultivation at 15 days interval commencing from 15 days and one hand weeding between the two intercultivation can effectively check the weed growth in sunflower. So this is cultural management. Next, students, use of herbicide. Students, pre-application of Alachlor 1.0 से 2.0, pendimethalin 1.0 से 1.5, thiocarbamate 1.0 से 1.5 is effective for weed control in sunflower. Fluclorin 0.5 से 1.0 also quickly effective. So this is students weed use of herbicides. Students, next है pest and diseases. Okay, so students, there are different type of pest and disease and first charcoal root and next alternative blight and scrotum wilt and cutworms and leaf sucking eating insect and earhead insect. Okay, so this is different type pest and disease. लगा दो. Okay, so student, first of all charcoal root. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको बताऊँ इसमें से हमारे जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड है वही हमारा इम्पोर्टेंट है इसमें से ज़्यादा. ओके, चारकोल रूट हुआ और अल्टरनेरियाई ब्लाइट हुआ। तो इसमें से हम आपको बताते हैं, फर्स्ट है चारकोल रूट। So students, charcoal root, students caused by fungus, it can be damage summer crop. The affected plants mature yearly and have black ash powder on the stem. Students, the heads of such plant are undersized and yield is residues. It can be avoided by avoiding monocropping and use of certified and treated seed. Students, so this is charcoal root. Students, next है Alternariae blight. Students, caused by fungus, this disease is common in rainy season. Symptoms include absence of dark brown to black round spots on heavy, which later become concentric along with the charcotic zone around them. Students, they closes and the result into leaf drying. The control measures include seed treatment with apron at the rate 6 gram per kg or spray of mancozeb at the rate 1.5 gram per liter at least 4 times with an interval of 10 days. So this is Alternariae blight. So next, students, scrotum wilt. Students caused by this wilt can affect the crop at any stage of the growth. With its growth of fungus along with mustard seed like bodies can be seen on plants near the soil surface, okay, which later result in wetting of plant. Students, that this can be avoided by following good crop rotation practice and keeping the field in weed free condition. Okay, so next, students, cut worms. Okay, so students, cut worm, they cut young seeding at the base and reduce the plant population. It's helped to cause heavy reduction in the yield. Students, the control measure included spray of the methyl perthene at the rate 4 ml per liter of water, of dusting methyl perthene at the rate 25 to 30 kg per hectare before sowing. Students, rice planting may be reduced the damage by cutworm. So this is cutworm. Okay, नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, लीफ सकिंग या ईट इंसेक्ट. ओके, ये भी लगता है. स्टूडेंट्स, सेमी हॉपर जैसे कैटरपिलर, बिहार हेरी कैटरपिलर एंड टोबैको कैटरपिलर. स्टूडेंट्स, all of them eat the foliage partially of fully. Students, the leaves are also attacked by aphid acid which reduce the vitality of the leaves, and thereby reduce the seed yield. The control using include spray of perthene chemicals at the rate 1/2 ml per liter water. So this is leaf sucking eating insect. Okay, next students, earhead insect tobacco caterpillar bugs gram caterpillar. Okay, ये भी लगता है. So students, they damage the flower they eat canal to finally reduce the yields. The control measure include dusting 5% malathion dust in heads. So this is earhead insect. Okay, students, this is pest and disease. Okay, so students, next है हमारा harvesting and yield. Okay, so students, sunflower will be ready to harvest after 90 to 95 days in South India. Students, while in hilly cold areas the crop may be ready for harvest after 147 days. The crop is ready to harvest when back of the heads turn yellowish brown. Students, differential maturity is common in sunflower. The mature heads are cut and dried under the sun to bridge the moisture to 10% and later beaten to threshed by machines. Students, future sun dried of seeds is necessary to avoid fungal attack. A grain yield to 20 quintal per hectare is expected from a properly managed crop. So this is harvesting and yield. Students, next outcome. Okay. So students, high 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 humidity accompanied by cloudy weather and rainfall at the time of flowering result is poor seed set. Students, the optimum range of soil pH for this crop is 6.5 to 8.5. It performs better than groundnut in heavy black cotton soil of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So this is students' outcome of sunflower crop. Okay. So students, this topic is finished. Cultivation of sunflower crop. Okay. So स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आप इसे अच्छे से पढ़ें. इसका इंटरेक्टिव वीडियो आपको अवेलेबल हो जाएगा कुछ ही समय में, और इसका पीपीटी नोट्स भी अवेलेबल है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर कोई डाउट लगे तो फिर भी आप मेरे से पूछिएगा. ठीक है ना. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस टॉपिक इज़ फिनिश कल्टीवेशन ऑफ सनफ्लावर क्रॉप्स. आई होप आप इसे अच्छे से पढ़ें. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.